Support the machine so that you can easily access all the teeth and make sure the kill switch is turned to off. To remove the old teeth, you will need two spanners, an 18mm and a 19mm. If you have access to power tools, then this can make the job easier and quicker, as can be seen in the video. Once the old teeth are removed, please dispose of them sensibly. But make sure to keep all the bolts, nuts and washers. Make sure you have the correct amount of each item before starting the install of the new teeth. Notice the hole spacing on the tooth carrier. They are arranged in sets of 3 holes with small spacings between them. Then, there are large gaps between the sets. Start with an inner angled tooth, and it doesn't matter which side you start from. Use a shorter bolt, washer and lock nut through the top hole onto the tooth and the top hole on the first set of 3. It is a good idea not to tighten up the bolts to start with in case a mistake is made with the pattern. Then do the same with a longer bolt through the lower hole on the same tooth. Ensure that this bolt goes through the top hole of the next tooth, which will be a straight tooth, which is being installed on the opposite side of the carrier. Finish with another small bolt to secure the second tooth in place. This completes your set of 3. Repeat this pattern on the next set with an opposite inner to the first tooth, followed by a straight tooth. On the final set, you want 2 outward facing teeth. Start with the side opposite from the last tooth you installed. This whole pattern is then repeated for the other half of the tooth carrier, starting with the opposite side from the last tooth you installed. Once all teeth are on, spin the carrier to double check the pattern is correct. As the nuts provided are locking nuts, these must be tight enough to hold the teeth steady, but don't need to be too tight as they will not come undone through use. Ensure every bolt and nut has been tightened satisfactorily. Once complete, make sure to turn the kill switch back on and complete any other checks you desire before starting the machine. Once in a suitable location, start the machine and allow the engine to warm up for a minute. Then, with the teeth lifted away from the ground, make sure they spin freely on full power. You can find more helpful videos on our website at www.titan-pro.co.uk and look for the How-To Videos section on the right. If you need to ask something not covered in the video, then the Titan Pro team are always here to help through our dedicated tech support email address, which is techsupport@titan-pro.co.uk.